It's just me tonight. It's just me tonight. City lights don't talk to me. They just stare while I walk beneath. Every step feels incomplete, but I don't run, I just breathe. I used to fear this empty space. Now I sit here, I don't escape. No one calling my name today, and it's strange, but okay. I hear thoughts I ignored before, like they knock on my inner door. I don't fight them anymore, I just let them hit the floor. The night spending with myself, no one else, no one else. I don't need nobody's help. I can't face what I felt. The night spending with myself, on this edge where I fell. But I learned how to dwell in my own personal hell. I don't smile like I used to fake. I just sit with every mistake. Every memory starts to shake, but I don't break, I don't break. I talk low to my own mind, like it's fine, we'll be fine. Every scar starts to align in a story I redesign. I was loud when I was lost, now I count what pain has cost. But I gain what I once lost, myself at any cost. The night spending with myself, no disguise, no one else. I don't need nobody's help. I rebuild what I felt. The night spending with myself, in the silence I felt. But I learned how to dwell in my own version of hell. Maybe I was never alone, maybe I just didn't know. Every crack I've ever shown, help me grow, help me grow. No more running from my head. I sit with everything I said, even words I wish were dead. Still I stay instead.